Hi friends, today we are in Vatican City, a city-state surrounded by Rome, Italy. It is the headquarters of the Roman Catholic Church. It's home to the Pope and St. Peter's Basilica and a trove of iconic art and architecture. Its Vatican Museum houses ancient Roman sculptures such as the famed Laocoon and his sons, as well as Renaissance frescoes in the Raphael rooms and the Sistine Chapel, famous for Michelangelo's ceiling. So you can see here the forecourt
It is 700 years that pilgrims
of the
touch the feet of
St. Peter's
Peter
Basilica.
to get a blessing. It is allowed.
St. Francis is the current Pope.
So this
The
is what I can
previous
show you. From this point,
Pope was
let's say,
Saint Benedict.
up there you have statues representing popes and
So this is the
saints,
forecourt,
and
a good
everywhere
view.
you have the travertine.
On the right, this building, three-storied. On the top floor, second window from right, Pope appears every Sunday for his disciples.
Vatican, we are in Vatican.
This is the forecourt again, and a canopy
Vatican,
where every Wednesday Pope listens to
Saint
the
Francis
people,
is the current Pope.
to the audience.
Before
And
him,
right
Pope
side is
Benedict
the
was there.
entry to the
And this is
this,
the canopy under which
Basilica.
on Wednesdays Pope listens to the audience.
As you
This is
enter the
square,
Basilica,
Vatican Square. And here
the enormous beauty and the magnificence of the sculptures and the paintings strikes you. The first sculpture you come across is the Pieta, which is a work of Renaissance sculpture by Michelangelo Buonarroti, housed in the Basilica. It is the first of a number of works of the same theme by Michelangelo. The statue was commissioned for the French Cardinal Jean de Belleres, who was a representative in Rome. The sculpture was made for the Cardinal's funeral, but was moved to its current location later on. So these are the beautiful sculptures created by Michelangelo. Simply magnificent. The inside of the basilica is simply magnificent, and you have to spend hours here to absorb the beauty and the magnificence. Visitors are paying obeisance. See the drawing on the wall at the back as well as the sculpture. Another sculpture, beautiful one. Ceiling, you can see the ceiling, how beautifully it is painted in the central hall of the basilica here. The dome, the inside of the dome is painted so beautifully. Another sculpture. Friends, about the Pieta, it depicts the body of Jesus on the lap of his mother Mary after the crucifixion. Michelangelo's interpretation of the Pieta was far different from that previously created by other artists, as he sculpted a young and beautiful Mary rather than older woman around 50 years of age. The marks of crucifixion are limited to very small nail marks and an indication of the wound in Jesus' side. Christ's face does not reveal signs of passion. Michelangelo did not want his version of the Pieta to represent death, but rather to show the religious vision of abandonment and a serene face of the Son. Thus, the representation of the commission between man and God by the sanctification through Christ. In fact, Pieta is
Kind
the
of
only
Basilica
sculpture which
Vatican.
has been signed by Michelangelo.
Yeah, these are the
It is said that
sculptures created by
some observers
Michelangelo.
were
This is the
mentioning
ornate
this to be
city.
creation of another artist.
And
So,
this is
to make sure that he is taken as the artist for the sculpture Pieta,
Shade.
he signed it.
right in the middle of the church.
Now in the forecourt again, after having seen the basilica, beautiful basilica, people are happy like we are happy here. So, good night friends.